I'm Ankita. I'm from Pune and I'm in Singapore from last 2.5 years. I'm an HR professional and the reason why I got into cooking is only because I want flavors in my life. Today I would be sharing a recipe of Amritsari Kulcha which I learned from my mother. Being a vegetarian, I believe and I love to put a particular ingredients and a very specific ingredients in my cooking. And in All India Supermart, I get everything at a very reasonable cost. This is the only place in Singapore wherein I can buy fresh, moisture-free, bugs-free, dry product. Now I'm at level 1, the fresh produce of All India Supermart. You see, they have a really fresh vegetables. Finally, I am back from All India Supermart and let's begin with our recipe Amritsari Kulcha. To begin with, I have taken a glass bowl. I will add 1 cup of maida, which is the main ingredient for this recipe. The second ingredient would be the wheat flour. To this flour, I would be adding 4 grams of yeast, 5 grams of honey. Mix the flour, honey and yeast mixture together for 30 seconds. To this mixture, I will now be adding 2.5 grams of salt, 10 grams of oregano, 1/4 cup of oil into the mixture. I will gently mix it and with the additional water, I will be kneading this into a perfect soft dough. Now my dough is ready. I would be adding clarified butter into this dough. Okay, so our dough is ready. At this point in time, the dough is very dense and you will feel the heaviness of the dough. Now we will be making the stuffing with the potato. I've already peeled the potatoes and now I will gently mash the potato to a very fine paste. I will add 2.5 grams of salt, amchur powder, chaat masala, red chili flakes. Again, I will mash it with the hands so that everything becomes one, and to this I would be adding coriander leaves which I've already chopped. And my stuffing is ready now. I still remember when I got married, I washed the chicken with the detergent and I gave a surprise.
She being a vegetarian who has never seen the chicken, she tried her best way to, clean the chicken with detergent.
So my mother-in-law came and asked me, "Hey, how did you cook this chicken?" And I said, Mom, I washed it with the detergent and then I cooked it.
I was shocked, but I didn't want to hurt her.
She's like, okay, you definitely need a good mentor for cooking. And then she started teaching me.
So that's how her journey started and I'm very happy for her.
The dough is already rested for 1 hour. It literally doubled. So what we have to do is we have to gently punch into the dough so that all the air of the yeast which is generated inside the dough gets out of the dough. So we will take this dough, we will put it on the rolling board and we will start kneading. Once you roll the dough, with the help of brush, apply the clarified butter and gently roll the rotis and tap. Cut it in the equal dough. Once we make this ball, then we have to just let it rest for 5 minutes. I'll preheat my oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now our dough has been rested and now we would start with the rolling of our dough and making of the kulchas. We will dip our hands into the water and we will dab it. And now I would be transferring this kulcha onto my baking tray and let it bake for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. This is how my Amritsari Kulcha looks, and yes, I'm definitely going to enjoy these kulchas with fresh yogurt which I brought from All India Supermart. I hope you like the recipe. Press the button like, share and comment. Bye.